OnePlus Open 2 is one of the most eagerly awaited phones of 2025 and is expected to launch soon, with rumors now gaining momentum. Recent reports suggest that the OnePlus Open 2 could be one of the thinnest foldable phones upon release, and now an official teaser appears to have confirmed this key detail. Oppo is expected to launch its next-generation foldable phone, the Find N5. If history repeats itself, similar to how the OnePlus Open and Oppo Find N3 were essentially the same device with different software, the OnePlus Open 2 will likely mirror the Find N5 in design and hardware. Pete Lau, CEO of OnePlus, has teased the thinness of the Oppo Find N5 on the Chinese social media platform Weibo, indirectly suggesting that the OnePlus Open 2 will also feature an ultra-slim design. Lau shared an image showing what appears to be the side profile of the OnePlus Open 2 or the Oppo Find N5 next to a sharpened pencil, hinting that it'll be even thinner. Alongside the post, Lau wrote, "See you in February," suggesting the phone's launch could be just this month. The teaser sort of confirms recent reports that the OnePlus Open 2 could be the thinnest foldable at launch. Currently, the Honor Magic V3 holds the title for the thinnest foldable at 4.3mm when unfolded. In the US, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is the thinnest available foldable, but still measures just over 5mm when unfolded. Devices like the Samsung Galaxy Fold 6 are even thicker at 5.6mm in the unfolded state. The OnePlus Open 2 is shaping up to be an exciting foldable smartphone. Its recently leaked design, rumored titanium build, and IPX8 dust and water resistance rating could address many of the major issues with the first-generation OnePlus Open. While there's no confirmed launch date yet, it may debut alongside the global launch of the Oppo Find N5 or shortly after.